All right, so we want to have two windows open at the same time. So as you watch the video or as you go through the table of contents, you can read the instructions on the left, and then you can do the instructions on the right. So we want to have two windows open at the same time. Hopefully you have a larger window than I do. I'm just on a little laptop, so it's kind of difficult. So what I do is I take the top of the screen just like this. Now, if it's full screen, there we go. You want to go ahead and click this restore button, and that sizes it down. So now we can move it. So now I'm going to slam this to the right, okay? You can see the little shadow that appeared on top of the website. See the little ghost of a shadow there? Now I can take this and I'm going to move it to the right. And then it gives me the option of what to have on the left. And I want my website. So I click there. There we go. Now we can move this. Let's see. I'm going to go to step 2. There we go. And I'm going to take it and move it over so I can see the whole instructions. And I'm actually going to resize my sheet as well because I want it to be able to see all the way over to J, because you don't want to have to scroll back and forth, back and forth. So as soon as you can see J, it will help. So I don't know if I would go any lower than 75%. If you want to go down to 50%, that's a little small. So 75% seems like it would work well. Okay, so when I want to read something on the website, I'm going to resize this again. Okay, there we go. So I can read it, moving it left and right here, going back to the table of contents if I need to, and moving on to the next lesson by clicking there. So I just take a look at this, I read the instructions, and I click back over to my spreadsheet and do the instructions, and then click on the next one, and so forth. But that's how you slam to the left and slam to the right. And I call it moving the screen.